Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to discuss POCO M6 Pro 5G with detailed discussion. It comes with a glass back, flat sides, and 6.79 inches, 90 Hz, 550 Hz of neat brightness, SIM tray, right side volume rockers, power button, and upside 3.5 jacks in front sensor, downside speaker grill, USB type C and microphone, everything. Specification.com, it comes with Snapdragon 4 Gen plus 2 gaming HD 30 fps 4G plus 6 GB 5000 mAh of battery and 18-watt charger plus Android 13 and many specifications in remaining I will talk later. 2 years major updates and 3 years security updates going to give it a quite better side mounted fingerprint, face lock, 5G phone, dual Wi-Fi band, Bluetooth, SIM card trace, hybrid up to 1 TB storage, IP53 and FM radio is also available for this phone. It's a quite better and camera 50 MP plus 2 MP and 8 MP selfie and 30 fps you can show and many filters you can show. Make sure like, share, subscribe. If you are new, please make me 1000k subscribers. Thank you, 1000 subscribers. Bye bye.